Morning guys, back on the pointing job. We've got the gun today, so we're going to do some with gun. Looks as though where's that sun gone? I think I'm behind it. Looks as though the sun's going to be out later, which is good. Warms up a bit, because it's a bit cold but it's dry. So that's pretty good. We're just going to, we've got all walls, we've gone all the way around so far. And he's just finished grinding the rest of this this gable out. So it's all grinded out now. I've already pointed it up to there, to window. So yeah, we've got a couple of days, I reckon 2 days hopefully, we can get this finished. And then we can just put all these bricks in next day, tidy up on third day, and then we should be done and we'll have been on this job. If we can get it done by then, we'll have been on this job. We did 2 days, full week, 6, 7, and then we did 3 days, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we've been on it 13 days, so which is not bad for a big job like this. So I'll be happy if we can get it done in 3 days. So yeah, we'll have a look at this pointing gun and we'll get a mix on and do a bit of filming. See you in a bit. Clean them off. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, we'll try this. Sometimes you need to either dry it up or wet it up or whatever. Give it a little test first, see how you like it. I think you can get proper spoon things for these. This probably had one, but I never had it when I bought it. Get it in. Get a quick wipe on the edges so you don't get stuck. See if it squirts out. Yeah, there we go. Just do this little corner first. Trying to film with one hand and point with another, which is a bit hard. Put a bit in that bit when I get my other hand free. See if we can get it in. There we go. Some big joints. Looks like big joints, these brickies. I think they've been trying to save on bricks. Must have had more sand than they have bricks. we're on ladder. We're going to do it all on ladder because can't get scaffold in. Right. These guns are great, they give you a bloody cramp in your hand. Be a battery operated one, couldn't they, really?
Yep.
A lot better.
Better than getting cramp in your hand.
Oh,
Oh.
one thing about these bricks, stain comes off them pretty easy if you do that. Come up well, haven't they, really?
Come up a lot cleaner than what I thought they would have done.
Or do you prefer the gun or by hand?
Sometimes it's easier to do it with gun if you're on a deadline, but I'd say doing it by hand really.
I think doing it by hands, I think you just get that little bit neater job, don't you, because you don't end up with
Blobs.
yeah. Well, it does come off if you brush it right time.
Oh yeah.
You really need to make a battery one of these though.
I think they do, mate. I think they do a battery one.
I know they do air ones, don't they?
Yeah.
So, fill it back up. So this we've only got half of it to do today. So I'm putting in now. He put that in first up there, and then he's jointing up now, and then I'm going to be putting in, and then when I'm jointing up, he can be putting in, and we'll soon bash this off hopefully. So that's it, 2 days we've got the gable finished. All we've got to do now is we've got to get the bricks done on each of the corners. They all need sorting out, but I mean it looks pretty good. We've got a fair bit of tidying up to do. We've got these cables here to put back on. They're the bricks on each corner that need changing, and just a few bits of snagging to do. We've got one of them. Let's see if you can see it. I'll zoom in. So just little bits like that. There's a couple here and there that we just need to sort out. So what I'll do is I'll probably do a little video just putting a couple of bricks in, and I'll show you all around it and show you what we've got done. So this is the blade we're going to give away. I started it in the last video, so if you want to nip over there, leave a comment and I'll put you in the draw to win this. So it'll only be a couple of days left, guys, so a couple of days, I'll get that other little vid on and we'll do the draw. Right, see you later.